Hello students, before we start our chapter, I would like to request you all to watch our introductory 2 videos given by me so that you will be clear about the 3-step strategy to do Dhamaka in physics exams. We have given the videos in the description box, or you can just click on our videos displayed at the end of this video for either introductory 2 videos or the next videos. Okay then, let's enjoy physics by Mr. Patel, who has a long, profound experience of 29 years of teaching physics in science.
Electromagnetic spectrum, EM spectrum. Correct. This is the frequency. This shows the wavelength. The wavelength is in the decreasing order. Frequency is in the increasing order. We know that the velocity is equal to frequency into wavelength lambda c. In all these waves, common is the velocity c. Correct. In the free space. In free space, they travel with the same velocity, that is velocity of light, 3 into 10 is to 8 meter per second. So if frequency increases, then wavelength will decrease. So this is, if you go up, wavelength lambda will go on decreasing. If you go up, frequency will increase. You can see this is 10 raised to power 2. This is 10, that is 10 raised to power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Correct. So these are the longest waves. The wavelength is the maximum, frequency is minimum. Correct. These are AM radio waves. The TV and FM waves, this range is given. Short radio waves, microwaves, infrared, then visible light. This is the spectrum of the visible light. This is visible light waves or rays. Correct. This is shown separately. This is correct. That is, visible light range is from 700 nanometer to 400 nanometer violet. This is for violet. Correct. This is blue. This is for green, 500 to 550. Then 550 to 600, that is yellow. And then orange, 600 nanometer to 650, and 700 nanometer, that is 10 raised to minus 9 meter. Correct. So range of this is given. So the frequency into wavelength, that is the same one. If you go up, the frequency increases, that is energy increases. If you go up, energy will increase. Energy depends on the frequency. Correct. So if nu is greater than nu1 is greater than nu2, then energy of that wave will be greater than E2. So energy of the gamma ray is maximum. You can see this frequency is maximum. Then X-ray, then ultraviolet ray, then visible light, then infrared. Minimum energy is of the long radio waves. Maximum energy of the gamma ray. So frequency of the long radio waves, that is minimum. Correct. Wavelength is maximum, longest waves in the correct. Radio waves. Remember one more thing, all waves, they exhibit the properties of waves, that is reflection, refraction, diffraction, interference, scattering, polarization, etc. They all move with the same velocity in the free space. These are two common properties for all waves. The difference is that radio waves, that production of this is by accelerated motion of charges. That all waves, they are produced by accelerated motion of charges. The electromagnetic waves of longest lambda and the minimum frequency. These waves have the longest lambda, they are the longest wavelength, have, and the minimum frequency, the minimum energy also. The frequency range lies from between 500 kilohertz to 1000 megahertz. So 530 kilohertz to 1710 kilohertz, that is AM band, amplitude modulation, band, that is you will study later on in the electronic devices chapter, that is medium wave we call it, correct. Then 3 megahertz to 4, that is 54 megahertz, that is short wave, that is amplitude modulated band, but these are medium wave, these are short waves, correct. Then from 54 megahertz to 890 megahertz, these are TV waves. The 88 megahertz to 108 megahertz, that is frequency modulation radio band. That is also you will study in the electronic devices chapter. 840 megahertz to 935 megahertz, ultra high frequency used in cellular phones, which you use. The next is the microwaves, that is short waves or radio waves. You know the microwave oven in which microwaves are produced. The frequencies is in the gigahertz range. They are produced by special vacuum tubes, crystal or magnetrones or gun diodes used. Correct? This is not in your course, but they are the tubes, special tubes. In radar system for aircraft navigation, long distance communication system via geostationary satellite, that is which moves along with the, that is co-rotate with the earth. So every time it faces the same place of the earth. In microwave ovens also, that is nowadays is very common. Now infrared waves, that is next one is the infrared waves, heat waves also called, or thermal radiation. Therm is the Latin word, the meaning is heat, or heat waves or thermal radiation. The range, wavelength lambda range is from 5 into 10 raised to minus 3 meters to 10 raised to minus 6 meter, you can see in the spectrum. The frequency range is from 10 raised to 11 hertz to 5 into 10 raised to 14 hertz. If you multiply by this, that will be the 10 raised to 8. If you multiply by this, 5 into 10 raised to minus 3 into 11 hertz, that is minus 3 and 11, that power you will get the 10 raised to 8 meter per second. That is frequency vibration per second into meter, that is meter per second you will get, round about 5 into 10 raised to 8, about, that is approximately it is, and 10 raised to minus 6 into, that is 10 raised to power 14, that power you see, this is approximately figure, that is 6 and minus 6 and 14, that is power will be 8, that is velocity you will get the on the power 8. In every waves range, the velocity, frequency lambda into frequency, that wavelength into frequency, that will be the velocity of light. The sources, hot bodies and the molecules. When substance becomes hot, you cannot see the hot, sometimes the hot body. If it is red hot, you can see it. If it condensation light, then otherwise suppose the iron piece is heated up to some temperature, 500 temperature or 400, you cannot see unless you touch it. But it radiates the energy in the infrared region, that is hot bodies and molecules, correct. Infrared waves or rays are also called the heat rays or heat waves. Waves or rays, they are the same. Because water molecules CO2, NH3 absorb these waves, that is they heat up and heat their surroundings. So infrared radiation plays an important role. This is the most important properties of this. Infrared radiation plays an important role in the maintaining the earth warmth. It keeps the earth warm, that is, or the average temperature of the earth. Actually the rays coming from the sun, they reach to the earth and earth gets heated. When earth gets heated, with the temperature of the earth is higher than with respect to the surrounding, it radiates the infrared radiation in the, or infrared rays in the atmosphere. These are being absorbed by the carbon dioxide, water molecules and NH3 present in the atmosphere, and this is what we call as a greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect, the heating of the Earth's atmosphere by infrared radiation is called the greenhouse effect. Let us discuss it. Incoming visible light which passes through the atmosphere is being absorbed by the Earth. Earth absorbs it, it falls on the Earth, so Earth absorbs, correct, Earth's surface, and Earth, when it becomes hotter with respect to the surrounding atmosphere, air, then it will radiate. You know, the heat passes from the hotter body to the cooler body without any device. If you want to make the flow of heat from lower temperature to the higher temperature, you will have to do some work, but without doing work, it will flow from hotter body to the cooler body. That is, Earth gets heated, the temperature of the Earth becomes more than the surrounding air, so it will radiate the heat from the Earth to the surrounding atmosphere. That radiates as the infrared, that is longer wavelength radiation. This radiation is trapped, it is being trapped by the greenhouse gases. What are the greenhouse gases? These are good absorber of ultra infrared rays, that is CO2, NS3 and water vapor, which is already present in the atmosphere. Thus, they maintain the average temperature of the Earth. Correct? So, when radiation coming from the sun to the Earth, this Earth gets heated and it radiates in the form of, this is infrared rays. These are being absorbed by the CO2, NS3 and water vapor, H2O vapor. Thus, when it is trapped, it keeps the surrounding hot and maintains the temperature of the Earth. This is what we call as a greenhouse. They are used in remote control of TV or VCR. Correct? The light emitting diodes are used as an electronic device, and that device is used in the remote control of TV and VCR. In greenhouses, to keep the plants warm, keep the earth also warm. In haze photography, because infrared waves are less scattered than the visible light, because infrared rays has the more frequent wavelength. They are the longest waves, just below the visible light, below the red. So it has a more wavelength than the red, and much more than the double wavelength than that of the violet. And according to Rayleigh's scattering law, the scattering angle theta is the inversely proportional to the fourth power of lambda. So if lambda is more, theta will be less, so it will be less scatter. That is why we see sometimes the sky blue, because blue scatters mostly. It is also used in knowing the structure of molecules, that is low space, so I have not written, just I am telling you. It is also used for reading of a secret writing on the ancient walls. So there are many uses. Infrared waves continue from the previous lecture. Infrared lamps are used in the treatment of the muscle, the muscular pains, to remove the muscular pain in our body. In reading the secret writing on the ancient walls, and in knowing the molecular structure. Next is the visible rays. We are very familiar with the visible rays, that is VIBGYOS. So it is a part of the spectrum that is detected by the human eye. Retina is very sensitive to the visible light. In sun rays, there are 9 rays, 7 rays are light we can see them, and two are invisible, that is infrared and ultraviolet. Infrared we have already studied. So this is the part of the spectrum that is detected by our human eye, and it is beyond the infrared. After infrared, visible rays come. The frequency range is from 4 into 10 raised to 14 hertz to about 7 into 10 raised to 14 hertz. This is about, that is exactly it is 7.5, that is not 7.5. Lambda range is 700 nanometer to 400 nanometer. This is for red, and this is for violet, last one, that is about exactly it is 750. So it is about, approximately it is given as per your book. The different animals are sensitive to different range of wavelengths. Snake can detect the infrared waves. Visible range of many insects extends well in the ultraviolet range. It provides us the information of the world around us. That is, we can see when light, we can't see without the light. We cannot see anything which is in the dark. So we are standing in the light, and the thief is in the dark place, you can't see the thief. Thief can see you because there is a light where you are standing. So light falls on your body, and that body after reflection reaches to the thief's eyes. So it makes the things visible, so we can know about the knowledge of the articles, which is these things. The violet indigo, that is, what is the range? It is given in the Austin unit. 1 Austin unit is 10 raised to minus 10 meters. Remember, nanometer is 10 raised to minus 9. So 1 nanometer is equal to 10 Austin units. So you can say 400 nanometer or 4000 Austin unit. So 4000 to 4500. Correct. Blue color has wavelength between the 4500 Austin unit to the 5000. This difference is only 500. Green between 5000 and 5700. Here difference is more, 700 Austin unit. Okay. Yellow, that is 5 from this 5700 Austin unit to 59. This is shorter one, that is 200 Austin unit band. This band is narrow. Orange 5900 to 62. This is also narrow, 300 Austin units. In the which it is, the spectrum is spread out. Red 6200 to 7500. This is a larger spectrum, that is about 1300 Austin unit. Correct. Red has a longest wavelength, and violet has a shortest wavelength. Correct. So frequency of the red is minimum and frequency of the violet is maximum. Wavelength is less, frequency is more, is almost double. This is about 7500 and 400, you consider this almost double.